Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HUAWEI Mate 70. So you have to start by opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in turbo VPN and click search and then click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.